have a bunch of Rose of Sharon on the property, and I planted them years ago, and some are more prolific than others in terms of self-seeding, and some are more sterile, so they don't produce a lot of seeds, but the slimy petals end up everywhere. And then these are all the little baby Rose of Sharon, and I'm sure that people who have Rose of Sharon or neighbors who have Rose of Sharon know exactly what I'm talking about. I do check in with my neighbors periodically and say, hey, how's it going over there? Do you want me to chop these down? They love them. So anyway, we have an open dialogue about it. I did chop this one down. I got rid of another one in the front. I'm going to, this one here is like immense. I just want to say, in case you're planting one anywhere near your house, they can get this big. You have to stay on top of them to contain them. Anyway, there's a lot of other options. They are invasive in 4 states, so if you live in one of those states, just beware. But there are a lot of other options that you could consider. Rose of Sharon, if it starts to make babies everywhere, you take these off at the end of the season, because the seeds are in here and then the pods open and drop, and then you get little babies.